let's do this Kate Moss makeup look with the insane supermodel skin that just lights up the world. Let's get into it. No matter what look I do, I always start with a skin prep, so I prepped my skin with the Avène Sickle-Fate Restorative Moisturizing Cream. Then, with a bit of tint, I used the Jane Iredale Hydra Pure Tinted Serum. That adds a super glowy base for my Shiseido Synchro Skin Radiant Lifting Foundation, and I'm only applying that in the areas that I want a little bit of coverage. I still want this to be a natural, radiant look. Then I'm taking my favorite, the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate, and I'm adding color around the perimeter of my face, a little bit under my eyes, and on top of my eyelids, of course, through my forehead and onto my hairline. Don't look at my blush. That is an old Bobbi Brown blush, but it's such a great color. I just can't part with it. It is the Bobbi Brown Pot Rouge in the shade Powder Pink. It blends out to be just the most gorgeous, natural, flushed pink. It's not too bright. It's not too blue undertoned. It's very natural. Now I'm taking a lighter concealer under my eyes to brighten, and then I'm taking a little bit of concealer under my cheekbone to just kind of sculpt out my cheeks a little bit because I don't want my blush to go too far down. Here with the brightening concealer under my eye, I just want to make sure that my under eyes are bright enough that you can still kind of decipher from my under eye to my cheekbone. I'm quickly going through my brows with a little bit of a brow tint, nothing crazy. I want it to be natural looking, and you can see the glow starts to poke through now. So in the photo, she obviously was a beautiful supermodel with glowing skin, but she didn't have too much going on with the eyes, so I just want to add a little bit of eyeliner to my top lid to make my lashes look a bit thicker, to give me something going on top, but without it looking like I tried or without it looking like there's too much effort going on. So I lined the top lid, and then I also lined the top waterline. I left the bottom blank, and then I smudged out the top just to give it a more effortless look and to kind of make the line disappear a little bit just into my lashes. And that's a very easy look that you can wear every day. It's something that is easy on the eyes and that you can wear when you have a very super glowy skin because it doesn't take away from the skin. That's what we want the skin to be, the main focus. Add some mascara, and then I'm going in with a super duo highlight. Okay, are you ready for this? So I take the High Beam from Benefit and I apply that with a sponge just on the high points of the face, high points of the cheekbone, and then here on the top of my brow bone as well, kind of going into the temple. Then I'm taking my Hints illuminating stick. And that is what I got the most questions on my last video. It is so bright and glowy. It's clear, so it doesn't have an undertone like the Benefit Illuminator had. So this just gives you straight up sheen and shine. It glows from a mile away. Then I'm taking a Emco Beauty lip gloss. This is in a light rose shade, so it gives you a little bit of color, which I really like because I feel like I have very small lips. So when I have a bright lipstick on, it just makes me look like I'm trying too hard. Then I go in with an illuminating powder blush. So this is just a blush that has maybe a little bit of shimmer in it because in the picture, Kate had these beautiful, like chubby, rosy cheeks. It made her look super youthful and it went great with the glow. So I'm just adding a little bit on top of my liquid and cream illuminators. I mean, it transforms everything. It gives me this super youthful glow. And I want to show you what the finished look looks like here in natural light. This is sunlight through my window, so you can see if you go out in the daytime, this is how the look will be. And it's super gorgeous. And then this is artificial light. So this is like a ring light. So you know if you go out at nighttime, maybe if you go to dinner, you'll still be able to see the full 3D effect. Supermodel skin just glowing through. Enjoy, gorgeous.